Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get latest iOS emojis on your iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and you want to get the latest iOS emojis, so let's see how can you do that. So you just have to simply update your software to get everything or every latest feature of iOS. You just simply open your settings, and in settings, just go to general, go to software update, and just try to update your software. So once I've updated your software, simply go back from here and just go to keyboard section, select keyboard, and here just tap on keyboards, and you might get all of your keyboards you have added into your iPhone. So here's the emoji keyboard. Just swipe it from to left, and you might see a delete option here. Just tap on the delete option and your emoji keyboard will be deleted. So once you have deleted your emoji keyboard, you are not able to use your emojis here. You can see there's no any emoji option. So now to get it back or to get the latest emojis, just swipe up or close your settings app, then go to settings, go to general. You can retry to recheck your software update if you have any pending software update. Then go to the keyboard section again. Select keyboards, then tap on add new keyboard and just select emoji keyboard from here. Once I've added your emoji keyboard, you might see the latest emojis of iOS. So once I've re-added your emoji keyboard, basically it will refresh your emojis on your iPhone. So you might get all the latest emojis on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.